So right over here, I have this Toshiba air fryer oven that I've had for a few months. And as you guys can see over here, you have all the different knobs and functionalities along with this little digital display. So over here, you have a different functionality. So you could actually switch between toast, bake, broil, pizza, cookies, and there's like a whole bunch of other ones. You also have to stop the /start button, so you just stop and activate and start, or stop this whenever you need to activate it or deactivate it. Then over here, you guys could actually adjust the temperature. So let's say I was on broil, for example, I could adjust the temperature on broil starting from 150 degrees and work my way up. And then over here, I could actually adjust the time as well just by twisting the knob to the right. Now all the knobs are made with stainless steel, so it feels very high quality. And then over here on the inside, you guys can see when you pop this open, it comes with this little tray that you guys could pull out. And this tray is actually very spacious. You could even fit a frozen pizza in here if you wanted to. And on top of that, you also have the oil pan right down here that you guys didn't take out to remove any residue. So I do need to clean mine right now, but it definitely does help a whole lot. Whenever you're picking up any leftover residue, you could actually adjust the different levels of the pan itself. So if you guys are making something that you want the top to be a bit harder for, you just put it up there. Or vice versa for the bottom. So if you guys are looking for a high-quality oven, this one right over here is easily one of the best in my opinion. It's very functional in every way. It's very easy to use and it's very user-friendly. So I highly recommend it. Please like my video, find the product link in the description and subscribe to my channel.